Hi everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. Today I'm going to tell you how to hide photos in your Samsung Galaxy S25 FE. So at first we need to go into the gallery and hold our finger on the preferred photo to hide. Here tap more, and now here, as you can see, we do have a lot of options. Move to album, copy to clipboard, etc. We have to here tap move to secure folder. More, continue, more, next. Is being created. Here you can actually lock your apps, move files, everything is safe here. Here select secure folder lock type. I will select my fingerprint, and here we can select, apart from fingerprints, pattern. We can draw our pattern, continue, draw our pattern, continue. It can be different than our phone's pattern, so remember that. Continue, fingerprint, and now we have to register a completely new fingerprint for this, because it can be completely different from our phone's one. Because remember, we can scan different finger to here and different finger to our phone. It's just for the safety reasons. %, 85, 90, 95, 100. Tap done, allow, next. In here, as you can see, close apps will locked or allow activity. We don't really want to use that because we are only hiding photos. Tap done, and now here, as you can see, moving items to secure folder. One item moved to the secure folder, and now, as you can see, we can search for the secure folder icon here. And now, as you can see, my files, and here it should be in the images, screenshot. That's how it works. Goodbye!